She sold a cake and broke the internet. What started as a sweet gesture would soon expose something far more bitter. This is not just a story about frosting and fame. It's about influence, illusion, and income. Welcome to Influencer Deep Dive. Before the scandal, there was the stardom. Chiara Ferragni, Italy's digital darling, from fashion blog to billion-dollar brand. She turned Instagram likes into business empires. Lipsticks, heels, partnerships with the biggest global names. To the outside world, she was a girl boss blueprint. A woman who made it all look effortless. But behind the filters, something else was baking. Italian media erupted. Consumers betrayed. The fine, over €1 million. The public unforgiving. What was once applause turned into outrage. TikTok exploded with call-outs, memes, and legal commentaries. Even politicians weigh in. And soon, the Ferrari law was born. Please an apology, tears for grab, please will script. But the damage was done. Was this Chiara the person or Chiara the brand? The line between influencer and individual blurred, and with it, the illusion shattered. Follow the money, shall we? From a glittery cake box that screamed charity, to the bank account that whispers profit. The numbers, delicious. The ethics, a little stale. We're talking sales, clicks, outrage-fueled engagement spikes, and $1 million question. Was this influencer genius or philanthropic cosplay gone wrong? The fine she paid, almost identical to what she allegedly earned from the cake. Coincidence, or just Chiara's doing ROI yoga in Balenciaga hoodie? This is where the algorithm meets the audit, where curated kindness meets quarterly earnings, and where trust becomes a revenue stream. And cracks, what spills out? A woman, a warning, or just another influencer burnout? Wrapped in glitter and ghostwritten captions, Ferragni's story isn't just about the cake. It's about the billion-dollar illusion we kept double-tapping before we cancel. Maybe we decode. Before we point fingers, maybe we ask, what system built this? Was Influencer Deep Dive. Like, decode, subscribe, and remember, not everything that glitters is good PR.